Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can uninstall Grammarly from here. So let's just get started guys. So firstly what you need to do is you need to be in that particular platform where you have Grammarly. Let's say the web browser. So mine is in over here, let's say this Google Chrome. So what you have to do is just go to your web browser like this. Once you're here, so over here on your right hand, on top right hand, you'll see this icon on your toolbar which says extensions. Just go over there and then you'll see your Grammarly extension over here. You can pin it and unpin it from here as well. So as you want to, let's say, uninstall here generally means removing it from the Chrome. So how you do it, just go over here, three dots, and then you'll be having these options: Grammarly AI Writing and Grammar Checker app, can't read the change site data, remove from Chrome. So you just go with this remove from Chrome option like this, and it will ask you to confirm it. Just press remove, and then like you see, it has already been installed. It will ask you why did you uninstall and all. So if you want to reinstall and you change your mind, just go over here and just press reinstall an extension. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below. We'll be there for you. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.